What's the meaning of competent? Competent. Competent.
Competent. Competent. The word competent refers to having the necessary skills, knowledge, or ability to do something well. A competent person is capable and qualified to perform a task with proficiency and confidence. When someone is described as competent, it means they possess the expertise required to complete a job successfully. This quality is highly valued in the workplace and is essential for success in many fields. A competent person is reliable and trustworthy, and their ability to produce high-quality work can lead to increased productivity and improved results.